नमस्ते बेटिया। myself Dr. Balraj Singh, Department of Dravya, Faculty of Ayurveda, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Movements in Speech, Jaipur, Gujarat. Today we discuss about Chitrak. Chitrak, botanical name is Plumbago jailenica. Botanical name is important. Plumbago jailenica, family Plumbaginaceae. Both are important. Full Chitrak Kun, Shushruत mentioned in Dipni Mahakashai, Taptignu Mahakashai, Shul Prashman Mahakashai, Vedani Mahakashai, Ashogna Mahakashai, and Lekni Mahakashai. So it is very important plant. So Chitrak mentions many Mahakashayas, Dipni, Taptignu, Shulagna, Shul Prashman, Vedani, Ashogna, and Lekni. Shushruत mentions the Pilyadigan, Mustadigan, Varunadigan, Amalakyadigan, Mishkadigan, and Aragodadigan. And the Hindi name Chira, या Chitra, या this is Hindi names, and Praya synonyms, and this is its meaning. Chitra, it increases Agni and thereby increases the Buddhi or Agnidipan property is compared to Chitta or Leopard. Cheetah or leopard. So it is called Chitra. Anal Nama. All the synonyms Agni is referred to this plant, so it is called Ananama. Pathi. The Ushna property is as powerful as leopard. Pathi. Vyal. The Deepan property is very powerful, so it is called Vyal Ushna, having Ushna Virya because of Katuras. Darun. Due to Tikshna property, it is Vedan and as such tear the accumulated lumps. So it is called Darun. Agni, the plant is known for its fiery, pungent nature, so it is called Agni. Deepak, due to Ushna Virya, stimulates digestive fire, so it is called Deepak. Pathin, the Ushna property is very powerful, so it is called Pathin. Main features: the property of the drug is pungent, hot, and sharp. It stimulates digestive fire and breaks the accumulated lumps. Ved variety Nighantu Kar have described four varieties according to the color of flowers: श्वेत, रक्त, नील एंड पीत. चार तरह के चित्रक हैं. श्वेत है, रक्त है, नील एंड पीत. According to Nigantu Ratnakar. Botanical three varieties are श्वेत, रक्त and नील. Peat is not mentioned here. Habit Utpatti Sthan extensively cultivated, distributed throughout the hotter part of India. Habit Swarup A rambling, subscanted, perennial herb, stem somewhat straight, glabrous, leaves shortly petioled, 1 by 2 to 4 inches long, ovate, acuate, entire thin, glabrous, often glucose bennett, suddenly narrowed at the base, lower portion of the petiole dilated and often furnished with stipules like auricles, flowers in long spike-like racemes, the rachis glandular, striate bracteoles, much shorter than the calyx, ovate, acuminate, calyx about 1 by 2 inches long, narrowly tubular, five-ribbed, densely covered with spreading stalk, crimson glands, teeth very short, corolla with silver-shaped slender tube, 3 by 4 to 1 inches long, white lobes apiculate, filaments equaling the corolla, tube anther slightly exerted, capsule enclosed within the persistent calyx, oblong, pointed, pericarp thickened, about seed oblong. उपयुक्त अंग part used mold. Description of the part: the drug occurs as pieces of dry root or root bark, and the root material consists of cylindrical pieces of various lengths, 2 to 12 mm in diameter. The external surface is longitudinally striated or shriveled, reddish-brown in color, having watery projection. At some places, the bark gets easily separated, exposing an inner woody portion of pinkish-white color. A transversely cut portion of the root shows a smooth surface of pinkish-white color up to 2 mm thick part, followed by a narrowed cortex and a radiating woody center. The bark occurs as a small curved or squilled easily friable pieces of various length, up to 2 mm in thickness. Internal surface of the bark is rough or slightly fibrous and rusty brown in color. Texture short, taste acrid, leaving a burning sensation on the tongue. Gun, ras, katu, virya, ushna, gun, lagu, ruksh, tikshna, vipak, katu, dosh, kamta, kapvat, shamak, rogam, kamta, pharmacological actions, agni, dipan, पाचक, ग्राही, पुष्टग्न, शोथग्न, क्रमिग्न, कासग्न, गर्भाशय, संकोचक, स्वेदजनन, रसायन, लेखन, विस्फोटजनन, गर्भसारक, ज्वरग्न. All are the pharmacological actions of Chitrak and Ami Prayog therapeutic uses. A paste is prepared with shunti and kanjik is applied externally on the arshas. Chitrak twak is pasted in a jar and dahi or takra is prepared in this jar and taken internally. In case of kust, chitrak is taken with haritra and gomutra. In smaller doses, it increases Pachan Karma. In Agnimande, Arochak, Ajir, Atisar, and Chitrak, Vedang, and Musta is given in Yakrat or Pliha Vrdi. The char of Chitrak is given with Takra. A tal prepared with Chitrak is useful as an external application in Amvat, Sandhivat, and Aghat, etc. The leaf should not be retained for more than 15 to 20 minutes in cases of Amvat because of its sport जनन एक्शन. मात्रा देखें अपन इसकी तो चूर्ण इसका 1 से 2 ग्राम तक और पात इसका 25 से 50 ml तक. फॉर्मुलेशन चित्रकारी वटी, चित्रकारी की, चित्रकारी चूर्ण, चित्रकारी घरगत एक्सट्रा, केमिकल कंपोजिशन, प्लम्बेगिन इसमें होता है. Substitute and adulterations, roots and root barks of Lumbago rosea is considered to be more potent therapeutically. These roots are comparatively thin and dark brown and black in color. The availability of the drug is, however, low due to its restricted natural distribution in India. And ahit prabhav toxicity on excessive dose causes daha in gal, amashay and all over the body, followed by chhardi, atisar, muttakrach, nadi, sheen, and that is contraindicated in pregnancy. निवारण है देखिए इसका तो पित्त शामक स्निग्ध and शीत preparations should be given शीर and चंदन. भाव प्रकाश निघंटु says that चित्रको अनलनामा चेप्याठी व्याल तथा उष्ण चित्रक कटुक पाके धन्नी कृत पाचनो लघु रूक्षो उष्णो गृहिणी पुष्ट शोथार्ष क्रमी काश्नुत वात श्लेष्म हरो ग्राही वातग्न श्लेष्म पित्थरक. It's all about Chitrak. And now next topic is Vidang. Vidang, their botanical name is Amlica ribs, family Myricinaceae, Kul, Vidang Kul, and Gan Charak. Charak mentions Vidang in Kramigna, Pustagna, Traptigna, and Sirovirachan Mahakashaya. Charak mentions Vidang in Kramigna, Pustagna, Traptigna, and Sirovirachan Mahakashaya. Shushrup mentions सुरसादी एंड पिपलियादी जल. हिंदी में इसे बायविडन कहते हैं अपन और इसकी फैमिली मायरसिनेसी याद रखिएगा. विडंग पर्याय और इसके सिनोनिम्स हैं. विडंग दैट विच रिलीव वर्म्स, पेन एब्डोमेन एंड आदमान दैट इज कॉल्ड विडंग. क्रमिग्न और जंतुनाशन दैट विच इरेडिकेट द वर्म्स दैट इज कृमिनाशन और जंतुनाशन. Tandul velum, it expels or removes the krimi from udar post. Amoga, the drug will never fail in its action. Chitra Tandul, the seeds have peculiar white spots, so it is called Chitra Tandul. Kairalam, it is used commonly in Kerala. Kiritam, a shrub growing in hilly region, mostly of northeastern part of India. Kiritam, Sweet Tandulam, peculiar white spots on the seeds, so it is called sweet tandulam. Basmak, a specific remedy for worms, so it is called basmak. Mraggamini, vidang is also used in veterinary medicine. Main features a shrub growing in hilly regions, mostly of north of India, northeast of India. The branches are delicate and flexible. The seeds have white spot on it. It is potent and analgesic drug and also used in veterinary medicines. Habit उत्पत्ति स्थान found in central Himalayan region and in hilly regions all over India. Habitat स्वरूप a large scandent branches long, slender, flexible tract with long internodes. The bark studded with lenticels, leaves coriaceous 5 to 9 by 2 to 3.8 centimeter, elliptical or elliptic lanceolate, shortly and obtusely acuminate entire glabrous on the both sides, shining above, paler and somewhat slippery beneath. The whole surface covered with scattered minute reddish shrunken glands, bias rounded and acute, main nervous numerous, slender, petiole 6 to 16 mm long, more or less marginated, glabrous, flower 5 merus numerous, small in length penicilled racemes which are terminal and from the upper axils. Branches of the panicle often 7.5 to 10 centimeter long with more or less glandular pubescent ridges, pedicles 1.5 to 2 mm long, glandular pubescent, brackets minute, stachiosus, deciduous calyx above 1.2.5 centimeter mm long, sepals, connect petals 5 greenish yellow, 3 4 mm long, elliptic, subobtuse, pubescent on both sides, stamens 5 shorter than the petals, erect filaments inserted a little below the middle of the petals, fruit globose, 3 to 4 mm diameter, smooth, succulent, black when ripe, like a peppercorn when dry, tipped with a persistent style. उपयुक्त अनुपात used फल and the गुण properties रस is कटु तिक्त वीर्य दूष्ण गुण रघु रूक्ष लघु and तीक्ष्ण विपाक is कटु दोष कर्मता कफ वात शामक रोगग्न कर्मता परम directions शूलग्न आधवान हर उदर शूलग्न कफग्न कर्मिग्न वात रोग हर जंतुग्न शिरोविरेचन मल्य दीपन पाचन अनुलोमन रक्तशोधक मूत्रजनक वर्ण कुष्ठग्न and rasayan. If we talk about Avik Priyog therapeutic actions, the therapeutic uses, it is the useful drug for trimming tapeworm for children 4 grams of children and for adults 8 grams of powder given with madhu or dahi. After 4 hours, arend tail or some village drug should be given. The Rasayan action Vidang Churan and Madhyasti should be taken. A use prepared with Mudak and Amriti should be taken. It should be continued for 1 month. By using this, all type of ash will be relieved and all type worms will be eliminated. By using this, chronic diseases like Sangrahani, Tumeh, Kust, Shay, Swas, Ubdansh, Vran will be relieved for children suffering from uh, Sukandi, Adman, Shul, Upachan, Agnivande, etc. Vidang boil in sheet and the sheet is given internally in Gandmala, Vidang, Guglu, uh, Manashila and Shrang Bhashmu should be given with Madhu and Grat in Ardhangat, Akshep and Apasmar it is boiled with lasun and milk and given internally. Matra dose Churan 5 to 10 grams. Aushadhi formulations Vidangarist, Vidangadi Loho and Vidang Tel and Vidanga Ark and Vidang Churan. Modern pharmacology considered as a valuable anthelmintic for tapeworm may be used in powder or as an infusion with straining early in the morning and empty stomach followed by a simple purgatory after 4 hours. The taste is not unpleasant. Chemical constituents, benzophenons, alkaloids, and tannins and essential oils. Substitutes and adulterations, dry fruits of Angelica, Rasjarin, cotton, Vidang, Bhed are commonly employed substitute of Vidang. Then Bhav Prakash Nigantu says about Vidang that Kunsi Klibe Vidang Shat Samigno जंतु नाशनय तंडुलश्च तथा वेल मोघा चित्र तंडुल है विडंगम कटु तीक्ष्ण उष्णम वृक्षम वृन्नीकरम लघु शूल आदमान उदर श्लेष्म क्रमी वात विबंधनो. This is all about Vidang and Chitra. These are both are important. In Agre, Charak says Vidang Kramigna Nam. And Shushu says Vidang Telani Katuni Katuni Vipakani Saranya Kap Krami Pust Prame Shiro Roga Prahani che. Ribat Nigantu says Vidangam Mushnam Tikshnam Rasipake Tata Kadu Divnam Kap Vatagnam Shuladman Vibantantu. This is important topic you all are read and learn about Chitrak and Vedang name, botanical name, family, synonyms, formulations, doses, properties, pharmacological actions, all are important. So today's session is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur, Rajasthan. I hope you all are satisfied with this session. If you have any query or any problem with this session, then please mention in comment box. I will resolve it soon. Thank you.